Alright, my peeps, I looked at all the free paint that I had, and I was thinking, well, what paint can I use, and what paint do I have in abundance, and can I use for exterior, you know, to just protect things for weather and, you know, weather conditions, especially rain and moisture. So I found this. It says protective and marine coatings, Bondplex, water-based acrylic coating, aluminum, and I just know that marine stuff is like high quality stuff, because you know how salts and the sea salt, the water and erosion, and it just makes everything rusty, and yeah. So here we go. I put tape on my markings, and I'm going to put stain in. I want it to be clean. And the cool thing is they're going to be buried with concrete cement. Concrete cement is normally gray, silver, so it's going to blend in. And this is the first coat. I'm going to add maybe 3 coats just for the hell of it, you know, just be extra generous, because I do have 2 of these. And I thought about it, since I have a lot of this and it's for weather, that's what I'm going to use to paint all the wooden stakes to support the branches on all the trees all around the house and both properties. See, I'm just going to give them a quick brush and then just paint. I'm not even going to bother sanding them. Nah. But let me record this real quick, because either way my battery's going to die, and I got to transfer and the data and then recharge the battery. So let me do this real quick. Let me set this up. And but yeah, hopefully this is a good idea, using this type of paint. I think it looks cool, man. Alright. Oh yeah, my battery's gonna die, so let's do this pretty quick.